Hello everybody, I am Sakshi from YouTube channel Study with Sakshi God. So in this video, we are going to do chapter 3rd, which is synthetic fibers and plastics. We are going to revise this chapter and हम इसको रिवाइज भी करने वाले हैं और इसके अंदर हम कुछ नई टर्म्स को भी देखेंगे. So let us start. Different fabrics are made up of different kinds of fibers. Cotton cloth is made up of cotton fibers. Nylon fabric is made up of nylon fibers. Wool is made up of woolen fibers. Am I correct? Yes, I am, because all kinds of fabrics are made up of different kinds of fibers. Yes, so wool, cotton, nylon are some different. They are different, yes, because of their characteristics. So according to that, there are two kinds of fibers: natural and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, such as wool, cotton, silk, linen, coir, flax are some examples of natural fibers. And nylon, rayon, polyester are some examples of synthetic fibers. They are made in factories using chemical processes. Tires of racing bike, the clothes worn by rider, the shoes, the helmet are all made up of especially designed by synthetic materials or man-made materials. Some fabrics are made by combining two or more different fibers. For example, I have a nylon fiber and I have a woolen fiber. I am going to combine it, and what fabric I making at the last, that fabric is both warm and durable. So I hope you understand it well. So I am talking about fibers. What are actually fibers? A fiber is a single and elongated piece of material which is similar to thread. Understood? What are fibers made up of? Fibers बने किससे होते हैं? Fibers are chemical substances that are made up of molecules called polymers. What is polymer? It is a Greek word which means poly means many and mer means units. Hope you understand it well. So polymer है क्या? What is a polymer? Polymer is a very large molecule. It is a string of beads. Can you see the beads right now? It is a necklace type, and these all are beads. It's all surrounding the necklace. So many beads are joined to form a very long string. Similarly, thousands of small molecules join together to form polymers. So आपको समझ में आया कि ये जो सी सारी चेन है, ये है क्या? ये सारा एक पॉलीमर है. किसका पॉलीमर है? ये सारा एक बीड्स का पॉलीमर है. और एक सिंगल यूनिट को क्या कहेंगे? हम मोनोमर कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे हम? मोनोमर कहेंगे. So the smaller and basic molecules in the polymer of a fiber is known as monomer. Now we are going to talk about natural fibers. So what are natural fibers? Examples of some natural fibers can you give me? Yes, you all are correct. Cotton, silk, wool, jute, coir and flax are some examples of your natural fibers. Natural fibers are also polymers. Cotton fibers are formed of cellulose, and cellulose is a molecule, and a cellulose molecule is a polymer. Cellulose is a polymer. And what is monomer in the cellulose? It is a glucose. It is the glucose which is monomer in the cellulose molecule. Now we are going to talk about synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fibers? What are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers such as rayon, nylon, polyester are polymers. They all are polymers. All synthetic fibers are grouped into two types. First is the regenerated synthetic fiber, and the second is true synthetic fiber. It is not in this book, so listen me carefully. There are two kinds of synthetic fibers. They are grouped into two types. First is regenerated synthetic fiber, second is true synthetic fiber. Now we are going to talk about the regenerated synthetic fibers. A regenerated synthetic fiber is made from natural materials. Rayon is one of the example. It is made by processing of cellulose from cotton or wood pulp from cotton or wood pulp. Sorry for that noise. Cotton or wood pulp. Rayon has the shine of silk, so it is known as artificial silk. It is the first man-made fiber. It is the first man-made fibers. True synthetic fiber is made up of entirely chemicals. Example of true synthetic fiber is nylon. Nylon fibers were first true synthetic fiber to be made. They are obtained from chemicals from crude oil, or we can say petroleum. Now we are going to talk about properties of synthetic fibers. Okay, properties of synthetic fibers. First property is strength. Synthetic fibers are strong and do not tear easily in daily use. For example, a parachute is made up of nylon fabric, which is extremely strong and durable. Ropes are made up of your rayon. Ropes are made up of nylon. Elasticity of fiber. Elasticity is a property by which fiber tends to go back to its original length after being stretched. Garments are made up of elastic fibers, tend to keep their shape. Third property is moisture absorbency. Synthetic fiber do not absorb sweat or water. They dry easily. They are suitable for wear in rainy season. However, they are not suitable for making a summer wear. Resistance to biological attack. Synthetic fibers are resistant to insect or fungal attacks. They do not spoil easily and last longer. Affinity for dyes. Synthetic fibers absorb specific dyes. The dyes do not fade away easily. Effects of acid and alkalis. Synthetic fibers are resistant to acids and bases. Effect of heat. Some synthetic fibers catch fire easily. They are inflammable. On heating, they stick to the person's body by who is wearing them. That is why synthetic clothes should not be worn in kitchens, laboratories, and your other firewood work. So now we are going to talk about some synthetic fibers. First is your rayon synthetic fiber. So rayon is the first man-made fiber. It is made up of wood on cotton pulp. Wood pulp or cotton is treated with sodium hydroxide and alkaline solution to produce a yellowish solution. The solution is then pressed through plates with the very small holes to produce rayon fibers. The fibers are hardened by passing them into a bath containing sulfuric acid. The fibers are then spun into yarn and woven into cloth. Rayon is known as artificial silk, but it is cheaper than silk. So क्या है ये rayon एक फर्स्ट मैन मेड फाइबर था किससे वुड या कॉटन पल्प से क्या किया उन्होंने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को जो सा एक एल्कोलिन सोल्यूशन है उसको कॉटन या वुड पल्प को सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से ट्रीट करवा दिया और उसके बाद एक येलोइश सॉल्यूशन बना फिर वो येलोइश सॉल्यूशन एक छोटी छोटी प्लेट से बहुत छोटे छोटे होल्स से उसे पास करवाया गया और ऐसे बन गया रायन फाइबर फिर उसको एक बाथ करवाई गई सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में rayon is highly absorbent, soft and comfortable to wear. So rayon is very soft, comfortable to wear, easy to dye. Rayon fabrics are suitable for wear in summer because they absorb sweat. Uses of rayon. We use rayon for making clothes, home furnishing, and industrial use. Now we are going to talk about nylon. What is nylon? Nylon fabric is the wonder polymer. Wonder polymer? Oh my god! What is the meaning of wonder polymer? Unlike rayon, nylon is without using any natural material. So it is grouped into true synthetic fibers. Understood everyone? It is the first man-made fiber to be entire made up of chemicals. It was marketed in 1938 and derives it from the cities of New York and London. Now you understand why it is nylon, because NY for New York, LON for London. So nylon. Nylon fabric is strong, elastic, light, lustrous. Many of the uses of rayon are being seen. Nylon is used for making fabrics in textile industry. Nylon is a high strength fiber. It is used in making fishing nets, ropes, parachutes, tents, toothbrush and mechanical parts. It has a good elasticity. It is used for making socks, stockings, other hosiery. Now we are going to talk, sorry for that. Now we are going to talk about polyester. We are going to talk about polyester in another class. So thanks for watching everyone. It's my pleasure to take live session, to take a live class with you everyone. So it is a premiere video. I think you can understand it is. It is a premiere video and you can chat also in the live chat. So if you have any doubts, please यू कैन अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट आता है आप लाइव चैट में लिख दीजिए, आपका वहाँ पर मेंटोर्स होंगे, वो सॉल्व कर देंगे. और अगर आपको फिर भी आपका डाउट क्लियर नहीं होता है, आपको क्या करना है, कमेंट सेक्शन में आपको डाउट पूछ सकते हैं आप. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हिट अ लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद साक्षी गौर. थैंक यू एवरीवन.